Dragonflies are one of the oldest insects on Earth. They are here for more than 300 million years. Dragonflies are agile flyers. They can fly in any direction. The unique behavior what we are seeing on the screen is an egg-laying behavior of female dragonfly. Female dragonflies dip their abdomens into the water to lay eggs. This behavior is called oviposition. By splashing water, the female dragonfly helps to distribute her eggs across the aquatic surface or embeds them to aquatic plants. Female dragonflies often lay eggs in clusters or batches, which can contain hundreds of eggs. Dragonfly eggs hatch into aquatic nymphs, which feed on small aquatic animals and plants. After several weeks or months, the nymphs undergo metamorphosis, emerging from the water as adult dragonflies. Dragonflies are apex predators in the insect world, feeding on other insects like mosquitoes, flies, and even other dragonflies. They have lightning fast reflexes, allowing them to catch prey in midair. Dragonflies play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance, controlling insect populations, and serving as food source for other animals. These fascinating creatures continue to captivate people with their impressive flying abilities, striking appearance, and important ecological role.